Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no kicks. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe it go vroom.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, oh, that's Brando, sitting in the camo, back again with another video for y'all today, man. Title in the thumbnail, man. Yes. My boy Brace hit me up. He said he got a wide body Mustang.
Huh?
I said that right. I did. A wide body Mustang.
Oh my God!
I don't know how to feel about it. I haven't even saw it. So when I see it for the first time, y'all gonna be seeing it for the first time. So y'all, where my reaction gonna be, I'm gonna still record it. I'm not gonna stop. Braze, you know you my boy. But we gonna see what this wide body Mustang is talking about. I have never saw a wide body Mustang. Never. So this is gonna be my first time seeing it. I really think they're gonna be the first wide body Mustang out there that's Ego Boost. So I'm not sure. So I'm on the way. I'm gonna leave and be on the way to him to go see this wide body Mustang. And yeah. Y'all let me know when we get there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this wide body Mustang. It's weird. It's weird like saying wide body Mustang, because we so used to saying wide body Chargers, wide body Challengers. But wide body Mustang, that don't sound right. But anyways, I'm about to leave. I'm about to go ahead and head to the location and share this car. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Cash out.
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no.
Offset.
Yo, this shit right here is crazy. On God, this is crazy. Wide body Mustang. Yeah. Braze snapped on this. Yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Is this it or not? Wide body Mustang. My first time seeing one. My boy Braze, you know what I'm saying? Went crazy. So let me know, bro. What made you want to do this, bro? Like, talk to me.
Alright, back to the beginning. So, we were sliding one night, and I slid clean into the shopping cart. I messed up my whole back quarter panel.
Sheesh, that bit thick.
Yeah, so I had to get that filled in, get all that sanded down. But I already knew it wasn't never gonna look the same, so I said I might as well put the wide body kit on there now. So I put the kit on there. Well, I ordered the kit. Then I ordered the wheels. 2 days before the wheels came in, somebody ran into my car. Somebody ran into this side.
Sheesh.
So that put me out the game for 2 months, because I was not going outside until this shit was done.
For sure.
So then I had to order new lights. New bottom light. I had one of these sitting in my storage. I had this and this sitting in my storage. Cause I've been waiting to put that on, but I wasn't gonna put it on until I got a new bumper. I was gonna get the it's just one bumper. I'm not even gonna tell y'all where it's from.
Alright.
But the shit look exactly like the 2024 Mustang front end.
You gotta show me that. You gotta show me that when we go on camera. You gotta show me that on camera. That bit hard though.
So I was about to get that. But then I was just like, I'm just trying to hurry up and get this done. Let me buy me a factory grill. Somebody was selling this grill for $180. I pulled it up, grabbed that. Like, yeah, I need that. So then I put the kit on. I put the kit on by myself. I put the kit on.
For sure.
I put the kit on before my wheel spacers even came in.
You said the kit is in like the front and the side and the back?
Nah, I had somebody put the dude who did the front, is the same dude who did the stars on my ceiling.
Got you.
But
That bit hard.
I put the wide body kit on by myself.
That bit hard, boy. Wide body Mustang, bro. You like it, bro? Ace, you like it? Yeah, I think you fucking with it. Yeah, you fucking with it. It bit hard, bro. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, bro. But go ahead.
I got it all put on. I got the whole kit put on. Then I took it to the shop and got it wrapped. So it was all black, damn near, what, 2 days ago? My shit was probably all black 2 days ago.
It bit hard.
Woke up, I put these on myself. Put the decals on, put the 8s in.
Yeah, that boy snap, boy. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. So if you would sell it, how much you would sell it for? If I want to buy that bit right now, bro, how much you would sell it for? He ain't gonna sell it. Anyway, y'all follow my boy on IG, man. You see the name, man. Follow my boy on IG, man. The first wide body Mustang. When he hit the streets, this is crazy, bro. You got spacers in the back, beefy. They look like they 305s, but yeah.
Spacer got it looking 305.
It bit hard, bro. So what's next, bro?
The engine. I'm working on this engine under here. We got a series turbo coming. A
Gotcha.
series turbo coming.
And what is? I know it's an Ego, but what is it? 2.0? 1.8?
2.3.
2.3. Oh shit.
2.3 with a turbo.
Just learned something today.
So we're gonna get a big turbo in here.
It bit is hard. So if y'all want to line that shit up, sooner or later, contact me. We'll get this set up. But yeah, it bit hard though.
I mean,
It bit hard.
on the track once I get it tuned.
It bit hard.
Sure.
I know the
drift track. This is on the racetrack.
Yeah, I know the torque is crazy on these. I know it's insane. This is crazy.
I'm gonna take y'all sliding, but I need mud guys.
You need what?
I need mud guys.
Oh yeah, for sure. Can you even slide, bro? Yeah. They say you can't slide, bro. They say you can't slide, bro. That the street saying, bro.
My Instagram is right here. Y'all want to see a little bit of sliding?
Hey man, y'all tap in, man.
Y'all want to see a little bit of sliding? Y'all can go check on my IG.
This junk is tough, bro. Wide body Mustang. Y'all let me know what y'all think, bro. Y'all rocking with it? It's weird, bro, like seeing a wide body Mustang, bro, because we so used to seeing wide bodies, Chargers, and Challengers. But yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Never. It been hitting. Yeah, this is lit, bro. Wide body Mustang. Bro, it sounds weird as fuck saying wide body Mustang. Like, what the fuck? It been tough though. It been tough.
The wide body is not low power.
It been tough. Oh God. Well, yeah, make sure y'all tap in, man. Y'all follow him on IG. I showed y'all it. If you know what I'm saying, my boy be doing a little bit of everything. Y'all tap in, bro. Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Hey, I say it's just 6 in the morning, I'm going straight in. Let's go. I don't really give a fuck about a friend. I don't fuck with now one of these bitch ass niggas. I ain't calling these niggas no twins. Hey, spin on your block and I spin it again.